Hi, this is Brian Bear again. You want more information on me? You can go to yassuccessblog.com and there's an About Me page there to get more information on me. Today I'm talking about WHM Web Host Manager. If you have a hosting account and a reseller account, you will have access to a web host manager. I'm going to go over today how to create a new account to match up with your new domain that you've purchased. For example, say you purchased a name, you want to create an account for it so that we can get WordPress with the goal of getting WordPress installed on that. Okay, first off, let me get this. You're going to log into the Web Host Manager, and once you've created your website hosting, they will give you your login credentials and the site to go to for your web host manager. If you have not used this before, there's a lot of options on here. So I'll assume that you haven't used this before, and I'm just going to focus on a couple important things to get your account set up. Okay, you have your domain. Next thing you want to do is you want to check what might be on there in your web host account. So underneath, there's a bunch of options on the left here. Underneath, you have account information. You toggle that tab open, and we're going to list accounts. Now, it so happens on mine, I've got a number of domains on here, and here's all the accounts that I have set up with my web host manager. To set up one of these accounts, I'll just show you a quick thing. I've just worked with bvconsulting.org. You click that to open up. You have an email associated with it. From here, you can go to your control panel for that account, and we'll do that here in a second. I'll show you how the control panel works. So you have your base WHM or Web Host Manager account. Within that, you can associate different domains, and each one will have its own control panel that you can do specifics on your website. So like I said, here's the ones that I have here. Now if you create a new one, a new domain attached to an account, you'll go to Account Functions, and you will simply click on this option here that says Create a New Account. And this screen will open up. I'm not going to go through this setup here because I don't have one to set up right now. I'm all set right now. But here you'll just simply put in your domain. It's going to be .com, .org, whatever it is. It will check it, and there'll be a green check mark that'll show up on here if everything's okay. Username, it'll plunk one in there for you, but you could make any username that you want. You're going to create your password. You're going to want to write these things down. You'll put your email in for your correspondence, where it's going to go, and then you'll choose a package. There'll be different packages that are here, or you can select options manually. If you select the options manually, there's a number of things that you can pick here, and if you're familiar with these, you can each one of your domains can have its own disk space in megabytes for the site, bandwidth, and things like that. Or you can just pick one of the packages that are here. You then are going to go down. You're going to want to copy these name servers here because you're going to need these. And then when you're all set here, you're going to hit create, and it will create your account at that point. So then once you create an account, go back here to list accounts, it will appear right here as one of these accounts. Now from here, you can go into the cPanel for each account. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to go into the cPanel, and I'm going to show you how to load WordPress into so you can use WordPress with your domain. In this case here, we're going to open up the cPanel for bvconsulting.org. And this is the cPanel. You'll notice if you have different domains, they'll all be listed here, or different cPanels, or different domains associated with this web host account. So this is the cPanel for this account. What you're going to look for on this page, don't let all this confuse you. You're going to go down here, and most cPanels are very similar. You're going to look for somewhere under Software and Services, you're going to look for a quick install. And in the quick install, on the left here, you're going to see this. It's going to have WordPress. Or there may be an option somewhere to install WordPress. And that's what you're going to want to do. You'll go through that process, and then your account will be set up for WordPress. I'm going to close this out here. And as you're going through this setup, you will receive an email with your login credentials for your cPanel account. And again, don't delete that email. You're going to want to keep that because you're going to need that, and we'll do this on a different video. You're going to use that to access your FTP for uploading and downloading things to your website. And like I said, save those emails. You will also get emails on how to log into your back end of your WordPress site and the front end of your WordPress site. And we'll go over that in a different video I'll have in this video series. So what we've gone through here, Web Host Manager, we've made a new account for your new WordPress domain. We've then gone down, we've installed WordPress via the quick install, and you should have all the information given to you in your email account as to how to log into the back end. And we'll continue on different videos for that. Okay, thanks for listening in. I hope this was helpful to you. And like I always say, hey, be the best that you can be. Take care. Bye.